My name is Xavier De Leon, and this is my mother-in-law, Tracy Dominguez. We both live in Bakersfield, California, and my wife and son both passed away due to medical negligence. That's when I learned about a 1975 law that limits families' rights just like mine.
Demi was intelligent, young, beautiful. She was the most loving person and just wanted the best for everybody that she knew and loved.
She loved helping people. She was very compassionate towards people.
Yeah. She was about to graduate in May for her psychology major, and she was very excited to be a mother. A week before her baby shower, she started showing some swelling, and she was concerned about it. And she came over and we took her blood pressure and it was high. She called her doctor. He couldn't get her in that day, so we decided to go to labor and delivery. They put her onto a monitor and they realized her blood pressure was high. So they gave her some blood pressure medicine, which the nurse said, "Oh, your blood pressure increased. I never seen that before." So they kept monitoring her and they took blood work and they came back and they said, "We're gonna admit you for observation." And pretty much the doctor never came in to see her at all. On Wednesday morning, we took her to see her regular OBGYN. At that point, she went into the room. They took her blood pressure 2 times and it was still high. And he just checked the fluid. She told him her symptoms. He did not seem to be concerned at one point at all. He didn't talk about preeclampsia. He never mentioned anything. He just told her no salt, low sodium, and bed rest. And from that point on, we went home and that's what she did. And that night, she went to bed. And in early mornings, Xavier seen her in a full seizure and she passed away. We wanted to bring a lawsuit so that this doesn't happen to any other families.
No family should have to go through this, especially if it was something that was preventable or could have been caught,
I think it should be changed because families can't afford sometimes an attorney.
So I really think it needs to change because it's just not fair to all the families that have had negligence and they didn't have a voice or they, a voice to be heard with or be able to be represented in a way to where they can have justice with their family and have closure.